Hey guys, I know it has been a very long time since I've done a video, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me while I give you like a life update, you know. Yeah, so to start, I'm using my Fenty Beauty stuff. So I'm not one for, you know, like the hype, you know, using things, you know, just because it's name brand or whatever. But I have had foundations for years, and I was like, you know what, this is the time for me to, you know, like get some new foundation because this ain't it. Yeah, I'm going in with my base primer, the Fenty primer. I've been in the US for almost early next year will make it 2 years since I've been here. Time has flown by really fast, you know. Yeah, so I've been here for 2 years. A lot has happened. Yes, I got my green card. That was a process in itself, you know, because I'm a very impatient person, and I felt like my life was on hold for like a very long time. But I'm glad that everything came through. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, this is my very first time doing, well, I guess in a while, doing my makeup on camera. Sorry guys, I need to do a concealer first. Again, Fenty Beauty concealer. I went to Sephora, and I was like, you know what, I need to get some new makeup. And then the agent there showed me the different products, and I was like, you know what, I do like Fenty Beauty. I do want to try Fenty Beauty, you know, see what the hype is about. And you know, and I do like it. You know? Anyways, back to my life update because I'm all over the place. So yeah, I moved to the US almost 2 years ago. March will make it exactly 2 years since I've been here. Went through the whole immigration process. I did it without a lawyer, you know. I started working in the US. You know, working here is a little different from working in Jamaica or working in Japan. The job market here is shit because I'm trying to get back into HR. I'm already in HR, and like I have an HR job, but I want to, you know, like do more stuff in HR. But it's really hard to, you know, like get into the right company so I can, you know, like go on the path that I want to go on. Yeah, don't laugh at me. But yeah, so by the way, when I'm doing my makeup, I like to just spray it with some setting spray because I like when my face is moist. Oof. So I feel like the makeup go on better. That's just my personal opinion, but I feel, yeah. So yeah, so at one point I was working like 2 full-time jobs. I was working at nights. I was working at a hotel as a night auditor, and then I had my day job, which is my HR job. And I was like, you know what, that was too much on my body, so I decided to quit. So now I just have one full-time job because, you know, your girl is gonna always be hustling, always go where the money's at, because I got stuff that I wanna achieve, and I'm 30, so you know, not like I don't have time. I do have time, but I don't have time, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah. I also recently moved into this apartment. I've been here for 2 months now, and I did do an empty apartment tour at my last apartment, so I'm gonna probably post that. I don't know yet. I gotta see how it is because I came from work and I was like, you know what, this is my last day in this apartment, let me record for memories and stuff. So if I like it, I might post. If not, then I'll just not post it. But I do wanna do like an apartment tour for this apartment because it's really nice. I really like it. Yeah, so I need to we still got like a whole bunch of stuff to put together to make it, you know, like come together. So waiting on that, or I can probably just do some videos to show how I decorate it. Yeah, we'll see how that goes and get this a little wet. Yes, I want to get back into doing YouTube videos, but the last few months I was like have not been wanting to record or to post anything. I have so many pictures that I took of different places that I went to, but I just never posted them on Instagram. And that's how I've been on with social media overall. Like, I just don't want to post anything. I just don't feel motivated to do that. But I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to get back into the habit of posting consistently. You know, like now I'm doing 2 videos back to back here. I'm gonna be doing a meal prep video after this one. You know, meal prepping my stuff for the week. Yeah. And by the way, guys, if you haven't noticed already, I got braces. Yeah, so that's also something that's new. I've had them for like 10 months now. Yeah, hopefully not much longer before I take them out. But yeah, I have braces. That's another journey in itself. Super expensive, but 10 out of 10 I would recommend because I love the results so far. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna try. This is just for me to tell you guys, like, hey, this is what's been going on in my life. Nothing too major. Well, yeah, it's kind of moved to a new country. I haven't posted in a year, literally a year. Wow, that's been a long time. I even had like a birthday vlog from in January, earlier this year in January, that I didn't post because, like I said, I just have not been motivated to post anything. But I'm gonna try. By the way, I did my hair because I ain't paid $200 to do no hair here, so I did my own hair. So sewing. Yeah, I like very light makeup, especially since I'm not going out. I'm just doing this to record a video. And also my apartment complex, they have like a movie night because now it's Halloween, like Halloween season. So they have a movie night. We've never been to any gathering that they've had at this new apartment. Like the old apartment, they always had stuff going on, but this is our first time doing something here. So I want to go down and see what it's about, you know, and meet my neighbors and stuff, because I don't know nobody here. And that's another thing in America and in Japan, like, you don't know your neighbors. I want to come and cook and then go downstairs. It's what time? It's 1:37, so I got like, starts at 5. I'm just gonna go down there, look what it's about, and then come back up. By the way, I did ombre brows about 2 years ago when I came here to visit, and they're still going strong. Yeah, I want to touch it up, so I'll probably do that probably next year, because they have been a lifesaver, because I don't really have to do my brows. I don't even have to. I know I need to wax my brows, but like, it always looks like I have, like, my brows are well done. I do very simple makeup, very simple. For this channel, I'm thinking of just doing like life, you know, like pretty much like what I did in Japan when I go out, post about that, or cooking videos. So for now, that's what I'm gonna be doing until I find like a specific niche. I've had this for like probably 5 years and I'm still using it. I ain't throwing it away. Alright, so I'm gonna do my lips. I wanna line it with black. Some black liner. I should have used brown, but I don't have. Do I have brown? No, I don't have any brown. I'm just gonna do it light. Don't knock it. Wait, guys. Wait. I'm just putting on some lip chalk for now. I rarely do my makeup nowadays. I be going to work just my skincare routine, and that's about it, because I ain't nobody got time for all of that. to be wet. I like when it's wet. I feel like it picks up the eyeshadow even better. Let me go for gold. Something subtle that blends in with my skin tone. You know what I need to learn how to put on what you call it, eyelashes. I do know how to, but I just haven't done that in a long as well. Now I need to go watch some videos to relearn. I'm gonna definitely try to consistently post videos, especially now that I do have only one job, so I do have the time. I don't have a lot of time, but I do have more time than I did earlier in the year. So I'm trying to be like, there's no excuse for me not to, you know, spend like an hour each day after work to do something productive. I love eyeliner. I think eyeliner makes my eyes pop. I ain't no makeup artist, so don't be looking for any extra, you know, like, poof. I think I got this from Walmart, probably. Reggie, get him, Reggie. How do I look? You wanna fight me? Cause I called.
Blush.
Huh?
You got the blush thing going on.
Yeah.
Cute.
I look cute? Thank you. Okay. Anything I need to fix?
Let me see.
I'm good. Okay. All right, guys, this is where I'm gonna be ending the video today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I promise you guys that I'm gonna be posting more consistently for, you know, the coming weeks. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.